beginner race, series 2. Got Limon, Zeus, my boy right there. I got Wolf in the back. What's up, Wolf? All right. Got a nice crowd out here today. Nice crowd out here today. Beginner race, series 2.
The purpose of that ride is that we're all sharing channels. So there's most likely you have a channel buddy.
My boy
so
D right here.
Somebody else is flying on the channel that you're on. And if you plug in inside the pits, then all of a sudden, whoever that is going to go from flying around the track to sitting in the pits looking at your face.
Or your balls.
And they're not going to be excited about it. So that's the reason why you just never plug in the pits.
Oh,
like
man.
when you hear people flying, you cannot plug your quad in.
He's like, it's not a picture.
Cool.
You plug in over here.
Yeah. Plug in on your way to the track for sure. Okay. Yeah, so any questions as we're going along, please feel free to just holler them out.
We'll take the
So
last
we're going to
round.
start right there, headed in this direction. We're going to go through this first gate right here.
Are you setting up? Wait, what the fuck you wanted?
Yeah, me neither.
My crops put in the grass.
My boy Wolf. What's up, man? You alright? Yes, sir. Right on time. Track walk.
You doing that to you too?
Yeah.
But this was like 4 or 5 months ago.
Yeah, exactly. I don't know, he's like only like buying dogs. Jesus. So I don't know. Then his grandmother, then his girlfriend broke up. And after that he says, another 2 weeks, and then he's dead.
I would have been surprised when he got it within 10 days.
Yeah,
that's what I said.
That means that you're about
And
to go
I think
like,
he's
and like lead that
I
line.
gotta get this one.
So we're coming straight. You can see you going up and over this gate.
Can you go around it, Neil, as well?
However you want to do it, you just gotta go then through
Just
this
split
gate
S?
in this direction.
Is this split S, Brian? Yeah.
Go
So right
around.
here?
The best line is to go over it and split S down and through it. That's your best line. But you can also go around it. I would not recommend going around it this way because then you see the line goes that way. So you'll be crossing traffic. There's no rule that says you can't do that. We specifically call it the dick move. That's what that's called. So if you want to
The dick move.
take that line, but it's not the best line. It's dangerous.
What's it called, Neil? Say it
It's the
again.
dick move.
The dick move.
Yeah. So your best line is to come over this gate.
I got that one on film.
Turn around or come
It's
back,
called the dick
come
move.
back through this gate this way.
Oh yeah? Okay, so we have the namer of the dick move right here. What's up, B?
So we're then
Yeah?
like a little free slalom. We're following the dots.
Okay. About 20 minutes into it, we gotta come find a quad. We are looking for a quad now. Somewhere out here. I have no idea, but we're gonna see what happens. Hopefully we can find it and get back to racing. What do you remember seeing last, buddy?
Let's rock. Let's rock. Really? let's rock. Let's rock. Yes. Let's rock.
GimFan 514666 props. And we also have a pair of sunglasses and a
Nice.
GS100 soldering iron. So those are our
wow.
prizes. So I'm gonna
Wow.
call first place first, and first place gets to pick what prize he wants off of there. Then second place, third, fourth, down the line. So today's beginner first place winner with a fast lap of 1863 is
Nice.
Daylight FPV.
Nice.
Yay!
There he is.
Good
job. Pick what you
Pick your
want.
poison
Nice.
there.
You can take this radio.
That is a Beta 75 frame, landing pad, props, and sunglasses. Just the frame.
Nice.
That's TBS swag, SD card holder, props, sunglasses.
Man, it's hot out here, man. I got to jump on the hill.
All right, he's picking the Beta frame. I
Woo!
like it. Okay.
Nice. No, you good, man.
Second place
Woo.
with a lap,
There we go.
with a fast lap of
You good?
20.35
Boy,
seconds.
100% Brian hooked me up with the fan.
Hey!
Hey!
I'm not my old beginner.
That's all right. Don't worry about it, man. You podium. That's all that matters.
The radio is still here.
What's that? I'll do this off.
Radio's still
All
there.
right,
Nice.
100.
Nice.
Good job, man.
In third place with the lap of 23.43 is Eric Ducky. Nice, nice, nice.
Air Ducky. Hey, where's he at?
Where's Eric Ducky at?
Secret prize. We got an
Oh,
equality
here he
prize.
comes. Here he comes.
All right, all right.
Man, good lap today. I like it.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
nice.
so then left on the table is, I don't know why they call it.
No, it's his radio.
We got ourselves this cap with
So
down
just
props.
this, and this.
Yeah, yeah.
You pick
Or
what you
got
want.
GPS swag, props, and then you got props and antennas.
What happened we used today?
Caps and props, antennas and props, TBS swag and props.
Props. We got props. We got props for days.
He said, what's happening to you? That's Coach. Coach, get on you, man. See? You slipping on
All
the
right,
lap
so you
time.
got the props, so left. So then, where we at now?
Fourth?
Fourth place with a time of 23.683 is Zero Volume.
Zero volume.
No
Hey!
volume, so quiet, just making his way around the track.
Or just slide on in there.
I like it.
Yeah, yeah,
Going for the
nice.
props and the antennas.
Straight. He already had it in his mind. That's straight in his head.
All right. So then fifth place with the time of 34.9 is Jamamamato.
Jamamamato. Uh-oh. Nice. All right.
Do you want the radio?
He said that. Take it all. Yeah. You want some help?
All right, and then if anybody else, so top 3 times in the pro class, in first place was Mystery Vaughn with a lap of 12.482.
Nice. Nice.
And second place is NM Grower with a lap of
Nice.
13.74.
Nice.
And in third place, we got Mr. Matt Max with the 15.07.
Ooh, that one saved you. That one saved you, Matt.
Ooh, then right behind him, fourth place, only God can
Oh,
judge,
it saved you.
93.
Ah,
And
them
then
tenths,
fifth place in
them
pro
tenths
class
of a
today, we got
second.
Zeus with the
Nice racing.
1761.
Nice, Zeus.
Oh, just so close behind him in sixth is Don P with the
Oh,
1765.
come on, man.
Holy 1,000.
He said, "Holy 4."
1,000.
1,000ths of a second.
So I'd like to just thank everybody for coming out today. It's good times. Great
Yeah.
to have y'all. This beginner series, the point of it was to get everybody here, comfortable with racing, have some tracks that everybody can get their way around. We have one more yet to be scheduled.
TBD.
When we schedule it, we'll let y'all know for sure. In the same way that we have put out the word about these. And after that, we just also all you beginners are welcome to every event we have every weekend, right?
Most
Please just
definitely.
come. In every event that we have, we try to set the heats in much a similar way we do today, with fast, medium, and slow pilots together, so we're not running anybody over. And then we look forward to having you guys to our regular events after this 3 thing is over. Again, next weekend we got this quad qualifier. Would love to see everybody there. It'll be super cool as a beginner to see where you fall on the list against the world now. I promise you it'll probably be better than you think it could be.
Yep.
And then you'll have some